Hello guys, welcome to Altruist IELTS. I am Janvi and today we are going to learn vocabulary related to crime and law. It is the episode number 12 and you can check the previous episodes on our channel. In the last episode we have covered 3 words. The first word was irksome. It is an adjective and if something is irksome, it irritates or annoys you. The second word was reprimand. It is a verb and if someone is reprimanded, they are spoken to angrily or seriously for doing something wrong, usually by a person in authority. The third word was hooligan. It is a countable noun and if you describe people, especially young people, as hooligans, you are critical of them because they behave in a noisy and in a violent way in a public space. And now before we move on to our next words, I want to announce that if you want your essays or letters to be evaluated by a professional, you can check our Facebook group and the link is in the description box. So now let's move to our first word, enmity. It is a variable noun and enmity is a feeling of hatred toward someone that lasts for a long time. And the synonym could be hate, hatred. The example can be, I think there is an historic enmity between them. Let's go for the collocations. Enmity, between. And the other things, the plural is enmities. The next word is burglary. It is a variable noun and if someone commits a burglary, they enter a building by force and steal things. Burglary is the act of doing this. The synonym of this word could be breaking and entering, housebreaking, break-in, home invasion. The example could be, he is being arrested for burglary. Let's look at the collocations. Admit burglary, steal in burglary, burglary at. Let's go for the grammar part. The adjective could be burglarious and the adverb is burglariously. Okay. Now let's move to another word, delinquent. It is an adjective and someone, usually a young person who is delinquent repeatedly, commits minor crimes. The synonyms could be unruly, wild, rebellious, anarchic. The example, remand homes for delinquent children. Let's go for the collocations. Juvenile delinquent, delinquents. The other things related to grammar, delinquent is also a noun and the example could be a 9-year-old delinquent. In the next video, we will cover culprit, calamity, honors and many more words. So until then, enjoy and learn. Like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to check the description box and join the FB group. Thank you so much.